Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're outdoors. We're going to do some grilling. It's like 78 degrees out. It's beautiful weather. We did what the tractor pulls yesterday, did really good, so we're going to treat ourselves. We're going to marinate up some chicken thighs, boneless chicken thighs, and do some Mexican sweet corn. So we're going to cook it all on the grill. So y'all sit back, relax, and I'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, let's get our chicken marinating here, because should marinate it for at least 4 hours, maybe a little longer. Overnight is the best, but you know, minimum probably 4 hours. So we're gonna start out. We got a quarter cup olive oil, and to that we're going to add. I'm gonna make a mess of my stove here. Quarter cup of red wine vinegar, and this is homemade red wine vinegar. Thank you to my brother. And then to that we're going to add a quarter cup of low sodium soy sauce. So all your liquids are even amounts. So get these lids back on here, because I know myself, I'll spill it if I don't. It's just how I am. So to that we're going to add some minced garlic, about a tablespoon thereabouts, depending on how much garlic you like, if you like it garlicky. And I do a few shakes of coarse ground black pepper. Do it to your taste. And then we're going to put approximately a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, heaping, maybe a little more. There we go. Italian seasoning really go well with chicken and pork. So okay, now gotta mix that all together, get that all going. Alright, now we're going to add our chicken. I'm using boneless chicken thighs, and as always, if you're using these, make sure you check it for bones. I have found chunks of bone still in there, so now, originally the recipe called for 5 boneless chicken breasts cut thinly. Well, these are pretty thin, so see right there, there's a chunk of bone right there. How many is that so far, guys? That's what? This is 4. Get that little chunk that's in there. There's another little chunk of bone. Okay. There's a big chunk of bone right there. One more piece here. I take, I inspect them because these little pieces, you'll never see them after they're cooked, and you bite into that, you can choke or whatever. So, all right, hands cleaned up here a little bit. Throw that package away. I'll make sure our bag is good and sealed. And then roll it around. Get them marinade all up in there. Okay. Pop these in the refrigerator. Let them sit for, I'm going to let them sit for 4, 5, 6 hours. And then we'll get to grilling them. So, I'll bring you guys back when we do that. Alright, y'all. We're about ready to throw that chicken on the grill. But first, we're going to make us up some sweet corn. I did buy fresh sweet corn, local grown sweet corn. I had half a dozen ears. And it turned out to be crap. There's no wonder why it's so cheap. So I picked up some store-bought sweet corn, and it'll have to do. So we're gonna make Mexican sweet corn, and basically you take your sweet corn. I'll throw a little butter in mine and give her a good shaking of taco seasoning. So get all that seasoning there towards the middle. Now I roll mine up. Twist over the ends. There we have her. So let's get a couple more in here. Our butter, our taco seasoning, and the twist. This is how I do regular sweet corn too. Just put the whole ear in there after you cleaned it and trimmed it. Twist, twist. Okay, there's that. So let's head out to the grill and we'll get to cooking. Alright, y'all. We got the grill all fired up. It's good and heated up. So we're gonna start and put our our corn on. So get that a cooking, and then we're gonna get our chicken on here. So we're just gonna kind of get it thrown on here and get it cooking. I'll move it around a little bit here after I get get it all on here because I think I might need more space. So yeah, we gotta move this corn back a little bit. You only leave those little pieces right there. So, all right. There's our all chicken out of the marinade. Look how good that looks. All them herbs and spices on there. So, all right. I'm gonna get this cooking, and we'll bring you all back whenever we get a little more done. All right, y'all. It's been about 5 or 6 minutes, so that oil's burning off. Alright, I need to cut the lid. I think I need to get a water bottle. So, alright y'all. Let's check on our chicken. Yes, I kind of moved it around. I lit the other burner just to kind of get the stuff cooking evenly. We're having some flare-up issues over here on the left side, so oh yeah. Oh, that chicken is looking mighty fine, mighty fine. I know our corn's about done, so oh yeah, it's about time to pull this chicken off. Whew. That's getting hot over that fire. Get my finger out of the camera. Oh yeah. Okay. Looks like this is all done, so we're gonna load her on our tray and take her in the house and we'll plate her up. Alright y'all, let's get this plated up. I want to start with our corn. Get one of these packets here out. And very, very hot. So, ooh, I can smell it. Smells delicious. Oh. Oh, look at that golden color brown on there. Y'all see that? That is money, y'all. Look at that. Let's pair it up with some nice chicken here. One more piece of chicken, why not? Alright. Look at that beautiness. Nothing left but our taste test. So let's do her up. Alright y'all. It's time for the taste test. This is some good looking stuff here, y'all. So let's try a bite of that corn first. There is nothing better than roasted sweet corn. I'm actually got another bite. That taco seasoning on there. Oh, lovely. Chicken. That's one of my favorite marinades for chicken. That Italian seasoning, that little bit of vinegar and soy sauce. Can't really taste. It's not overpowering with the vinegar and the soy sauce, but it all mingles so well. That is delicious, y'all. So there you have it. Grilled and marinated chicken thighs with roasted Mexican sweet corn. It's one of my favorites, so hope you all are going to try it. Appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and if you would, please consider becoming a member. We're going to be doing more member-only things, some short videos. You get early access to all the videos if you're a member, so 99 cents a month. Let's do her up. And check out the Amazon store too. Gonna be buying on Amazon. Go through the link on my channel here. Doesn't cost you anything more, but I get a little, you know, few cents off every sale, and it all adds up. So appreciate y'all, and as always, bon appetit.